Bitcoin is back, and it's making waves in the financial world once again. The digital currency has surged in recent months, capturing the attention of investors and analysts alike. In May 2025, Bitcoin crossed the $100,000 mark for the first time in 3 months, a significant milestone that has reignited interest in the cryptocurrency market. This surge followed a series of positive news in the political and economic landscape, creating a favorable environment for digital currencies. The US and UK signed a new trade agreement, which has been seen as a major step towards economic cooperation and growth. Optimism grew about potential US-China trade talks, further boosting market sentiment and investor confidence. These developments have significantly boosted investor confidence, leading to increased activity in the financial markets. Bitcoin saw a remarkable 15% rise in April 2025 alone, showcasing its potential for rapid growth. It outperformed stock markets on many occasions, demonstrating its resilience and appeal to a broad range of investors. Bitcoin's volatility has decreased. It is now at an 18-month low, indicating a period of relative stability for the digital currency. This suggests more stability in the market, which is a positive sign for long-term investors. Investors are pouring money back into digital assets driven by the promising outlook and recent performance of Bitcoin. $5.5 billion flowed into these funds in recent weeks, highlighting the growing interest and confidence in the digital currency market. Of this, $1.8 billion went to Bitcoin products, underscoring the strong demand and belief in the future of this pioneering cryptocurrency. The political climate is increasingly favoring cryptocurrencies, creating a fertile ground for their growth and acceptance. The crypto industry played a significant role in supporting Trump's 2024 campaign, showing its growing influence in politics. It became the largest donor, contributing an astounding $197 million, a testament to its financial power. In return, the Trump administration is showing its gratitude by implementing policies favorable to the crypto industry. One of the most notable actions was the creation of the $Trump meme coin, a move that garnered significant attention. Additionally, Trump signed an executive order to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve, aiming to solidify the nation's position in the crypto market. These actions clearly signal his administration's strong support for the burgeoning crypto industry. With Republicans controlling both houses of Congress, the political landscape is ripe for pro-crypto legislation. Lawmakers are actively pushing for crypto-friendly legislation, aiming to foster innovation and growth in the sector. This legislative push includes efforts to boost the stablecoin market, which is seen as a cornerstone for financial stability in the crypto world. The regulatory environment is also becoming more favorable, with new policies aimed at reducing barriers for crypto businesses. The SEC, now led by Paul Atkins, a Trump appointee, is playing a crucial role in this transformation. Atkins, a former crypto consultant, brings a wealth of industry knowledge to the regulatory body. Under his leadership, the SEC is easing regulations and dropping lawsuits against crypto companies, paving the way for a more robust and dynamic crypto market. Many experts believe Bitcoin is poised for further growth, driven by increasing institutional adoption and technological advancements. Standard Chartered Bank predicts it could reach $120,000 in the second quarter of 2025, reflecting a significant rise from its current levels. They cite strategic asset reallocation away from U.S. assets, as investors seek alternatives to traditional financial instruments. Analysts point to Bitcoin's changing role in the global financial system, highlighting its potential to act as a hedge against inflation. It is becoming more than just another asset, evolving into a critical component of diversified investment strategies. It is showing an inverse correlation to the Treasury yield curve, indicating its potential as a counter-cyclical asset. This suggests Bitcoin is seen as a safe haven asset, particularly during times of economic uncertainty. Investors are increasingly viewing Bitcoin as a way to diversify their portfolios, reducing risk and enhancing potential returns. Since April 2, 2025, Bitcoin has outperformed gold, solidifying its position as a leading store of value. This further supports its growing status as a safe haven, attracting more investors seeking stability in volatile markets. Despite the optimism, risks remain. Bitcoin's correlation with the S&P 500 is still high at 0.87. This means it is still influenced by broader market trends. A downturn in the stock market could impact Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency's association with illicit activities is a concern. Money laundering and scams using crypto, especially Tether, pose a significant risk. This could damage the reputation of the entire industry. The potential for another crypto bubble exists. A rapid rise in prices followed by a sharp crash could harm investors. This could also lead to stricter regulations. Cryptocurrency is at a crossroads. Bitcoin's recent surge suggests a potential comeback. The political and regulatory landscape is becoming more favorable. Expert predictions are optimistic. However, risks and concerns remain. Volatility, illicit activities, and the potential for a bubble are real threats. Investors must proceed with caution. The future of crypto is uncertain. It depends on various factors. These include regulation, adoption, and market sentiment. A balanced approach is crucial. Investors should carefully consider the risks and potential rewards. Only time will tell if crypto will fully rise again. Like and subscribe for more.